Hi, welcome to Simple IELTS Solutions. I'm Simon. This video will look at a couple of questions and model answers from IELTS Speaking Part 3 about feeling pride and feeling proud. Now, these two model answers, I have not prepared these answers before, so I'm going to play it by ear. Just like you in the exam, I've got no preparation time. The vocabulary for the answers will be explained next to me. But this won't be at the end of the video. This will be as I'm talking. Please let me know in the comments below if you like what I'm doing, or if you prefer what I usually do by writing the answers down for you. So let me know in the comments below. But here we go. Let's see how I get on. What can a child do to make their parents proud? Well, I would think there was a huge array of things that a child could do to evoke pride in their parents. I think this is probably mainly to do with the milestones in life. For example, like when the child first speaks, like when they say their first words, I think the parents are going to feel incredibly emotional. Also, on a similar vein, when they take their first steps, and probably in their first day of school, parents are going to feel a sense of pride, and they're going to feel very proud that their child is developing incredibly well. What makes adults feel proud of themselves? Why don't you pause the video now, answer the question yourself, and then see how I've answered? I think adults mainly feel proud or a sense of achievement for things they have done. I think early on you'll feel like an adult would feel proud about maybe passing a course or obtaining their degree if they graduated from university and that sort of thing. And then maybe they go on to pass their driving test. When they get their first job and establish a career, I think they could feel an incredible sense of pride and also independence because they're stepping out on their own. They're standing on their own 2 feet. And also with regard to their work life, I think if they get a promotion or they get some sort of recognition within the company, I think they could also feel a great sense of achievement. On the other hand, in their personal life, I think maybe on their wedding day, they're going to feel a great sense of pride because they've made a commitment and they've shown everybody that they want to spend their life with, hopefully, their life partner. But I think on the whole, adults feel proud about big events in their life as opposed to the more tiny events. Right, so there we have it. That was 2 IELTS speaking questions and model answers. Let me know in the comments below if you like me improvising my answers or if you prefer me writing the answers down and then talking to you about the vocabulary. Don't forget you need to practice for the IELTS test. If you don't practice, you're not going to get better at any of the 4 skills, the reading, writing, speaking and listening, but particularly the writing and the speaking. If you want to see how I would plan my IELTS writing task 2 answer, check out this video here. If you want to see how I answered the difficult questions about flowers, check out this video here. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also you can share the video with anyone else you think it would be useful for. Great to see you. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.